Meaning of golden wedding anniversary.
Golden wedding anniversary.
Golden wedding anniversary.
Golden wedding anniversary.
Golden wedding anniversary. A golden wedding anniversary is a special occasion that celebrates a couple's 50th wedding anniversary. The term golden refers to the precious metal, which traditionally symbolizes prosperity, strength, and wisdom. This milestone represents a significant accomplishment and is often celebrated with family and friends. Couples may exchange gifts or renew their vows to commemorate their enduring love and commitment. It is a time to reflect on the journey they have shared together and the memories they have created over the past 5 decades.